Unpacking, put on your gloves, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might have heard or will use in daily conversation. Put on your gloves. This seemingly simple instruction actually holds a lot of context. So let's dive into what it means, when to use it, and some interesting nuances around it. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, this video is for you. Put on your gloves is a straightforward command or request instructing someone to wear their gloves. Gloves are a type of garment that cover the hand, with separate parts for each finger. They're worn for protection, to keep warm, or as part of a formal or work outfit. The phrase is used in various situations, from cold weather to performing a task that requires hand protection. This phrase is commonly used in contexts where hand protection or warmth is needed. Let's break down a few scenarios. In cold weather, before going outside in the winter, someone might say, "Don't forget to put on your gloves, to avoid cold hands." For health and safety, in a laboratory or medical setting, professionals might be reminded to put on your gloves before handling chemicals or performing a procedure. In sports, certain sports, like boxing or weightlifting, require athletes to put on your gloves for protection and grip. In gardening, to protect against thorns or dirt, a gardener might start by putting on their gloves. While the basic meaning of put on your gloves is universal, how and when it's used can vary widely. In some cultures, wearing gloves is part of traditional attire for certain occasions. Meanwhile, in others, it might be a symbol of professionalism or readiness to work. Understanding the context is key to using this phrase appropriately. To incorporate "put on your gloves" into your vocabulary, here are a few tips. Visualize the action. Whenever you hear or see the phrase, imagine the action of putting on gloves. This mental image can help solidify the meaning. Practice in context. Use the phrase in sentences or while actually putting on gloves to deepen your understanding. Listen for variations. Be aware of related phrases like, "take off your gloves," or "wear your gloves," which can help you grasp the concept of gloves in different situations. Put on your gloves is more than just a simple instruction. It's a phrase rich with practical applications and cultural nuances. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you insights into the diverse ways language intertwines with daily life. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Until then, stay curious and keep learning.